to my channel. I'm here today with a different type of video. It's all about what I'm wearing on vacation in a few days time. I'm not going to tell you the location, maybe you can guess in the comment section below. It's a hot and sunny place in Europe. In this capsule you're going to see lots of bright colours, lots of dresses because it's summertime. That's the kind of thing I like to wear in the summertime. I think bright colours suit my chocolate skin tone, so why not have fun with it? All of my outfits are short, and that's because I'm only 5'1". What's really strange is that people often tell me that I look really tall on camera or in pictures, and I have no idea why. I'm not trying to look taller, I'm just not. I'm definitely petite, I'm definitely fun size as I like to call it. And for reference, I'm actually a dress size 10. I started doing Slimming World, so I've lost a stone already. So I'm back into my size 10 clothing and I couldn't be happier. I want to lose another 14 pounds and then I'll be dress size 8 to 10. And that's the weight that I was many years ago. So I'm just going to say I'm size 10 to 12 for the purpose of this video. So if that sounds good to you, then please make sure you're subscribed and following me over on Instagram. My name there is Travel Doll Nabby. On Instagram I post a lot of reels and slightly different content to what I post on YouTube. So you'll see a lot more vacation pictures, reels. You'll get a bit more of an insight into my life and who I am. So yeah, come and join me over on Instagram, and please do like, share and subscribe this video. Please give me a thumbs up as it really helps my channel. If you're on my Instagram, you'll get to see all my daily posts, reels and everything. You'll see the outfits in real time. So let's get into the video. The first thing I want to mention is I do not like to travel with a lot of luggage. I hate checking in a bag. So all I'm carrying is this carry-on. First piece I want to talk to you about is actually this bag. How cute is that? I had this bag made on Etsy. The seller's name is Denise Chapman and she hand paints your image onto a bag and puts whatever name you want. So of course I had to get the Travel Doll travel bag. And this bag, I'm going to use it as my traveling bag as well as my beach bag and just day-to-day shopping bag when I'm on vacation. So all my daytime outfits will be paired with this bag. And because I don't like to travel with much luggage, I like to simplify things when I'm traveling. So my favorite things to bring are transparent heels. So on this trip I'll be bringing 2 different types of transparent heels. So this one's for nighttime. That will be with most of my nighttime outfits. And this one, just in case I want to wear it by the pool, and with one other outfit I'll be wearing that. So these are from Primark, and I think these were from AliExpress. It's got a nice comfortable heel, and so is that one. So that's my daytime transparent shoe and that's my nighttime transparent shoe. Also for daytime, I can't get enough of these sandals. They are so comfortable, and they've got a little wedge or platform. They're so comfortable. I can wear these all day long. So I'm bringing one in a beige pair. So I'm bringing one in a beige colour and a black pair. That's my daytime footwear. For evening, I'm just carrying this handbag, which will obviously go with these shoes. As you can see, it's got rhinestones on it, so that's a nice match, and all my evening outfits will be paired with these 2 accessories. On the first evening, however, I will be wearing this gorgeous little gold clutch bag from Valentino. It also has a crossbody strap, so that will be going with my first night's outfit. So let's get into the outfits. First outfit I want to talk to you about is this outfit that I'm wearing. It's actually a satin kimono top and satin trousers. The kimono top is from River Island. I actually found some satin trousers in TK Maxx which match perfectly with this outfit. I also found the shawl in TK Maxx. It's not usually my type of thing. I just don't really like that Burberry look. However, that's all they had in the colourway that I was looking for, so I just went ahead and got that. And I think it complements this outfit, and that's the only reason why I got this Burberry looking thing. So that's my travel outfit, and with the travel outfit I'm wearing my beige sandals which complement it perfectly. I can walk through the airport in those sandals, super comfortable. Super easy breezy outfits. I love traveling in wide leg pants. I think they're so comfortable. My husband says they look like pajamas. I don't really care. As long as I know I look good and feel good, that's all that matters. When I wear satin, I feel so elegant, so feminine. His opinion doesn't really matter when it comes to things like that. When you're going through security, again, it's just easy to remove the shawl. I've got loose clothing on. It's just easy. The first outfit is this gorgeous skirt and simple white button down shirt. The skirt, this gorgeous skirt here, I was put onto this brand by another YouTuber by the name of Tashira over at Politics and Fashion. Hey girl, I love your channel. But as soon as I saw her wearing this skirt in one of her videos, I had to go and purchase one for myself. I think it's so unique. It's a gorgeous A-line skirt. When I ordered the skirt on the website, the sizing said U for universal. As you can see here, it says universal. The designer name is Stella Jean. And I found this skirt on Desigual as they did a collaboration, desigual.com. I believe it's a Spanish website. I've seen the stores in Spain many times, but I've never really been in there. I didn't think it was my style. She's a Haitian designer, and the skirts are actually inspired by coffee sacks in Haiti. And I just love this bit. I don't know if it's grass or straw, whatever. It's so cute. But as I was saying, it says you. So I was expecting an elasticated waist, as that's what free size usually means. But when it turned up, I obviously saw that there was no elastication whatsoever. So I was very, very lucky that this fits me, as I do have a small waist. I do have broad hips, but because it's an A-line skirt, this actually skims my hips nicely. I would say if your waist is any bigger than 28 or 29 inches, this skirt's not going to fit you. Yeah, this can fit a size small to medium. Your waist has to be very small to get into that. If your hips are any wider than 42 inches, that's not going to fit you at all. So that just about fits me, and I'm, like I said, a dress size 10 to 12. But I'm so happy it fits me. I absolutely love this skirt, and I cannot wait to wear this outfit. So thank you to Shira for putting me on to that designer Stella Jean. The white button down shirt is just a simple white button down shirt from River Island. By the way, this video is not sponsored by River Island. I just happen to have many pieces from that store. That's the first night's outfit. With that outfit, I'm just going to keep it simple because of the time of day that we arrive. It's going to be about 4 o'clock when we arrive, so I didn't want anything too sexy or provocative as it's still the afternoon. So I'm just going to wear my daytime transparent heels with that, and that will be quite cute. And that will be paired with this Valentino gold clutch. Second outfit is this gorgeous embroidered pink wrap dress from River Island. It's got puffy sleeves, it's got an A-line hem, and I think it's so cute. It's really comfortable. I've got this dress in a size 10 and it's a perfect fit, as you can see. And I'm just pairing that with my daytime sandals, my beach bag. Underneath this dress, I've got a black bikini underneath, which I'll wear with my caftan. I actually made this caftan myself, so you can't buy this anywhere. I'm not a professional dressmaker. It's just something I do as a hobby, just for myself. I made the bikini bottoms to go with it as well. So I'll have that underneath the dress. I'll have my caftan in my bag. So if we headed to the beach, I can just throw that on, and nice and simple. Can walk around town in this dress, go get lunch. I thought this was a nice, cool, casual outfit for the daytime. Some people might think this type of dress is too dressy for daytime, but for me, that's what I wear in the daytime in the summer. So the next evening outfit is this gorgeous bandage dress. A lot of people have said that bandage dresses are out of fashion, and I agree, they were out of fashion for a good few years. I actually used to sell bandage dresses in my boutique many years ago, and this is one of my old bandage dresses that I absolutely love. The style was made popular by Kim Kardashian, and it's a beautiful, beautiful coral colour which really complements my skin. So I just thought to myself, why not wear it again? I don't care if it's in fashion or not. It complements my figure, it shows off my shape, it makes me look good, it makes me feel good. I feel really elegant and feminine wearing this dress. So who's to tell me that I can't wear my own clothes? And to be honest, I think they're making a comeback. I've seen a few people online wearing bandage dresses again, so who knows. So next daytime outfit is this red bodysuit that I've paired with some red shorts. The bodysuit is actually something I picked up in Bangkok. You know, I love shopping in Bangkok. One thing about me, wherever I am in the world, I always have to take home a piece of clothing from that country. That's just my tradition. I treat myself with a piece of clothing from that country. So when I'm in Bangkok, I'm buying lots and lots of clothes for myself. And this is one of the pieces that I purchased. The shorts I got from Stradivarius a good few years ago in Spain. And I paired that with this Valentino belt that I got in TK Maxx, I believe. Yeah, so I thought that was a nice look. So this outfit is just for, you know, walking around town, going to lunch. If I'm going down by the beach, of course I'm going to have my swimsuit or bikini in my bag. And yeah, it's just for sightseeing. The next nighttime outfit is this orange dress, which is from a store called Boden. I also have it in a tangerine orange. This dress is in the popular colour, that orange, that we've all been seeing online. It's a simple v-neck dress. It has pockets as well, and it's really comfortable. I decided to go with a long sleeve just in case it does get chilly at night time. We are going to be by the sea, so who knows, it might be a little bit windy for me. The other option is this short orange dress, which is a one-shoulder ruched dress. That was a mouthful. So if it is warm enough, I might go with that one. If it's a bit chilly, I'll just wear the long sleeve version. However, if I do wear the one shoulder dress, I think I'm going to wear this gorgeous little clutch that I got in New York. It also has a crossbody strap, but I just thought that was really cute, and I've not worn it yet, so that might be an option. So the next outfit is this gorgeous blush pink outfit, which is high-waisted shorts from Zara, and this wrap over top, the satin wrap over top, is actually from Bangkok again. I love satin. I love this wrap over style. I think it's really elegant. Of course, I love this colour on my skin. So soft, so pretty. Just team that with my Ralph Lauren belt. The sunglasses are Ever Dior, and they are with the pink lens. The outfit is a gorgeous green play suit from River Island. This time I'm just pairing it with a black and silver belt that I got in Spain, and I think that complements the outfit. It goes with the shoes as well. Nice, simple, elegant evening outfit. So all of that will be packed into my carry-on. In my travel handbag, my essentials will be in this bag, and what I consider essentials are obviously my passport, a mirror with a stand, because I've been to a hotel once in Gibraltar and they didn't have a mirror in the hotel room, and obviously I need to do my makeup, so I have to bring my own mirror now. You never know, always comes in handy. Obviously bringing my battery pack, because we will be creating a lot of content, so we need a backup. Another essential is this. This is actually a camera. It's called the Insta360, and you just unclip it from there. You can actually use it in here. See there, it's got the stand. You can use it like that. Or my favourite way to use this, again, this video is not sponsored, so it also comes with this necklace. Comes with this necklace, and you can just clip the camera on there, so you can be filming hands-free, just filming your environment, or you can even give it to somebody else and they can film you without any hassle. However, it's probably best if you put this inside your clothing and clip it to the outside and just clip it there. This gives really great panoramic views of your scenery, and it's just a really fun way to get some extra footage. So that will be in my hand luggage, and I consider that an essential. So another essential for me are my earplugs, and I cannot travel anywhere without earplugs. I absolutely hate to hear screaming kids on the plane or people chattering away. I just like peace and quiet when I'm traveling, especially if I'm alone. However, on this trip I will be traveling with a Facebook friend. She's a new friend. She actually has her channel and I'll leave the link below. So we're traveling together for the first time. It should be fun. We'll be creating lots of content and fun videos and reels, and yeah, just seeing. I was just about to give away the location then. Obviously in my hand luggage you have to put all your toiletries in a plastic bag, and I've only started putting a few things in, travelling in a couple of days time. What I really like to get are the sachets of different products, and here I've got the Estee Lauder Night Repair. I also just bring sample sizes of my favourite fragrances. So here I've got the Montal Red Oud, and I've also got the Apple Brandy by Kilian. I probably bring four. I'll probably bring 4 of these. Instead of bringing the full-size bottles, I'll bring 4 little samples of fragrance. Or sometimes I bring my perfume oils that I get in Dubai, which are oud based and are really strong. So I might just bring some of those as well. Obviously got miniature products here, hair gel, cocoa butter, you know, all the miniatures, just to avoid having to check in luggage. You know, I'm only going for a few days. There's absolutely no reason why I can't just bring a few products. When I'm traveling long haul, yes, of course I'll check in a bag as I need much more things. But for a short trip to Europe, I usually just travel with a carry-on and a large handbag. The benefits of having just a carry-on and a large handbag are that you can just get off the plane, go through security, leave the airport quickly and start your holiday. I'll be traveling the day after this video goes live. So you can head over to my Instagram and find out where I'm going. Of course, I'll be uploading lots of content. So please follow me over there. Please, if you enjoyed this video and you like my outfits, please comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. I'd love to know which outfits you really liked, which ones you disliked. If you watch this video to the end, then please put a red heart in the comment section so I know that you watched it. And comment your favourite outfit, comment the place that you think I'm travelling to, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye!